Hello, today I am going to show you how to add device to Equalizer APO. So let's start the main video. First, open Equalizer APO. Now click All Devices. Now select your device and then click on OK. Now click on Yes. In conclusion, adding a device to Equalizer APO is an important step to make sure the equalizer can control and enhance the sound from your computer. To do this, open the Configurator program that comes with Equalizer APO and look for the list of available playback or capture devices. From there, select your speaker, headphones, or microphone by checking the box next to the device name. After selecting the device, click OK and restart your computer so the changes can be applied properly. Once your system restarts, Equalizer APO will start working with the selected device, allowing you to adjust audio frequencies and improve overall sound quality. You can fine-tune bass, mids, and treble to match your listening preferences. Many users also install PC Equalizer, which provides a simple graphical interface and makes it much easier to control and customize Equalizer APO settings. This setup helps you get a better and more personalized audio experience on your PC. And that's it. Thanks for watching.